Hello and welcome to English Speaking 360. Today we are talking about adjectives: good, bad, relaxing, stressful, yummy, gross, dangerous, safe. We are giving you opposite pairs of adjectives and they are super useful and it's actually very easy to use. So let's go together and we will see how it works. Okay. Now here we go. I give you this picture from Canada, minus 22 degrees Celsius. This picture is from Malaysia and it is 33 degrees Celsius. Now, what is the useful adjective pair that you can use to talk about these two pictures? Can you guess? It is hot and cold. So, you can say, Canada is cold. You can say, Malaysia is hot. But there is also another way. You can say, Canada is not hot. And you can say, Malaysia is not cold. So you can see whenever you have a pair of opposite adjectives, you can use not when you forget one of them. If you want to talk about Canada, Canada is not hot because you forgot cold. If you forget hot, you can say, Malaysia is not cold. It is the same. Now let's go with another one. Moldy orange and a normal orange. What is the useful adjective pair? Yummy and gross. Okay? Yummy is delicious, gross is disgusting. Oranges are yummy. Moldy oranges are gross. Yuck. Ugh. You can also say oranges are not gross. Or you could say moldy oranges are not yummy. Good? You understand? Now let's go with another one. Grandma's telephone, my smartphone. What is the useful adjective pair? Can you guess? New and old. Old and new. Okay? So now, let's try to make a sentence with Grandma's telephone. Grandma's telephone is old. Or you could say Grandma's telephone is not new. What about my smartphone? My smartphone is new, or my smartphone is not old. Elephants and a rabbit. What is the adjective pair? Big and small. Okay, now you make the sentence about elephants. Go. Elephants are big. What about the sentence about rabbits? Rabbits are small. Once again, if you forget one, rabbits are not big is the same meaning. Okay, a hot bath and rush hour traffic. What is the useful adjective pair? Can you guess? Relaxing and stressful. So now make the sentence about a hot bath. A hot bath is relaxing. How about rush hour traffic? Rush hour traffic is stressful. My battery is at 100%. My friend's battery is at 1%. So, what is the adjective pair? Full and empty. Now let's go. Make me a sentence about my battery. My battery is full. How about my friend's battery? My friend's battery is empty. A camper and a race car. Now, of course, we are talking about speed. What is the useful adjective pair? Fast and slow. Now make me a sentence about the camper. Campers are slow. Hey, by the way, we say campers with an S because it's all campers that are slow. Not only this one, but all of them are usually slow. You can say campers are not fast. Same. How about race cars? Race cars are fast. A movie is more or less like 2 hours long, but a TV show episode is only 30 minutes. What is the useful adjective pair? Long and short. Okay, now make me a sentence about movies. Movies are long. How about TV show episodes? TV show episodes are short. Driving slowly, driving fast. What is the useful adjective pair? Can you find it? Dangerous and safe. So make me a sentence with driving slowly. Driving slowly is safe. How about driving fast? Driving fast is dangerous. Camping and staying at a hotel. What is the useful adjective pair? Maybe you can say expensive and cheap. That's a good pair. So make me a sentence with camping. Let's go. Camping is cheap or camping is not expensive. How about staying at a hotel? Staying at a hotel is expensive or staying at a hotel is not cheap. Good. So maybe if you're a man, you pick this one. But I know many of my female friends would say, no. The adjective pair is comfortable and uncomfortable. So now make me a sentence with camping. Camping is uncomfortable. Yes, probably. How about staying at a hotel? Staying at a hotel is comfortable. A highway and my street. The size, the width is very different. So the useful adjective pair in this case is wide and narrow. Narrow and wide. Make me a sentence with highway. The highway is wide. You can also say highways are wide because all highways are wide. My street? My street is narrow. But you cannot say streets are narrow. Okay? Because not all streets are narrow. My street is narrow, but not all of them. Getting an A+ and getting an F. What is the useful adjective pair? Good and bad. Now go ahead, make me a sentence. Getting an A+ is good. How about getting an F? Getting an F is bad. Or you can say getting an F is not good. A small village and a big city. The useful pair is a little bit difficult here. Modern and traditional. Traditional is more like older style. Modern is very new style. Let's go. Small village. Small villages are traditional. How about big cities? Big cities are modern. A tablet and a broken phone. Oh, that's not so good. The useful adjective pair is useful and useless. Tablet. Let's go. A tablet is useful. How about a broken phone? A broken phone is useless. Studying math and studying languages. What is the useful adjective pair? If you look at the girl's face, maybe you will understand. Boring and fun. So let's go studying math. Studying math is boring. How about studying languages? Studying languages is fun. I'm a language teacher, so I totally agree with this. Receiving chocolate and getting a credit card bill. Oh, great and terrible. Let's go. Receiving chocolate is great. How about getting a credit card bill? Getting a credit card bill is terrible. Flowers and bugs. Now the useful adjective pair is right here. Pretty and ugly. Well, not so ugly, but not so cute either. But anyway, let's go with flowers. Flowers are pretty. How about bugs? Bugs are yummy. Oh, no, wait. Bugs, no, bugs are not yummy. Bugs are ugly. Yes, that's better. And that's it for today, guys. I give you one more. How about English Speaking 360 and interesting? English Speaking 360 is very interesting. So don't forget to like us, don't forget to share, and don't forget to subscribe. We will see you in our next video. Bye-bye.